What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend BTC sitting at 30.9K, up 1.5 on the day. Pushed up in a wave 5. Same market cap was 602 billion. 24-hour volume 15.86 billion. I am now posting my analysis on Meta's new app Threads, which is basically a Twitter for IG, completely for free, not only for crypto but also for Forex. So there is a pop-up on the screen. You can follow me, JAXX_IGC. There's also a link in the description. If you're new to Threads, I'd recommend starting an account. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, it's always really good to jump into new apps, especially that are launched by the biggest companies, as it could lead to an income stream for you, or you can just have fun with it if you want to. And make sure to give me a follow. I've already posted two charts on there. All right, gang, so we're going to look at BTC. We ended up pushing back up in the wave 5. I mentioned to my Discord members, that's why we always trade the impulses and not the corrections, because if you took a short right here thinking, okay, we're going to correct, well, boom, we bounced up in a wave 5. You would have got stopped out, most likely, depending on where your stop loss is. So we're already starting to break down. As you can see, we pushed up, we broke the wave 3 high, ending diagonal. So we could definitely come down from here, especially if we start to break this trend line. So if we come down and we start to break below about 30.5K or 30.4K, that's when we can see the continuation to the downside and pull back to our pullback zone, which is now in between. It's basically the same, 26K and 27.9, min target 28.7. All right, we can see here on the 4-hour, we have a long tail, which means the bears push the price right back down. That's a bearish signal of potential reversal. We'll have to see how that plays out, but I do think we're coming down. Either way, even if we push a little bit higher, we will pull back, in my opinion. DXY, we saw a little bit of a drop from our pullback zone. That's why you saw that bounce. Depends. If the DXY just kind of consolidates and bounces up and down, that will give an opportunity for BTC to come down in the correction, or if we push up higher in this target zone. But sometimes DXY won't move too much while Bitcoin is seeing larger momentum, and vice versa. So just keep that in mind when looking at the DXY. We just locked in a 36% trade on our Bitcoin position. We're in 3 other trades right now. My signals are only $10 a month. As I mentioned, you can check me out on Threads, where I'll be posting free analysis, but the signals will be in the private group for only $10 a month. Same price as a couple hot dogs from 7-Eleven, and you just don't want to be eating those, but you do want to join the Discord. That's basically it for this one. We're looking for that pullback in a wave 2, where we're most likely to take another trade. Make sure to sign up to Bitkit or Bybit. You receive a special bonus if you email me or sign up email after making your first deposit, up to 8K in bonuses on Bitkit, up to 30K on Bybit. And then my signals are $10 a month, and you receive signals analysis daily, crypto news, member profits, all plays, as well as Forex signals analysis. We're in a couple Forex trades as well. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. It's only $10. I mean, you spend $10 every day. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.